Hey, well, hello everybody. Well, since I did a video on how to draw hands last time, I wanted to do a video on how to draw feet. So just let me draw a guideline or framework for a person. There we go. Got the hips and the legs. Okay. Now for feet, if you're going to draw like Superman, what a lot of those comic book people draw is a little divot for the big toe and then a long divot for all the rest of the toes. So then it looks like that, and that's what a lot of the people that draw comic books do. And then if you're just going to draw a regular foot, then what I prefer is just a rectangle, because I think it's way easier to do that method because you can go whatever direction you want, which I think looks better. You can even do just straight up. So I prefer that method. Okay. And then when you're going to add toes or whatever, basically you just do a big toe and then all the other little toes. There you go. And there's not going to be much detail in the foot because, I mean, it's pretty far away and stuff. And, I mean, it's just little divots across it. And then, like, you can do sandals. Just draw a little sole on the bottom of it. There you go. And then you can draw, like, the leg over it, you know. But, yeah. And so I like that method. And then, like, if you're going to draw a shoe, then what I do is if I use the square method, then I'll do a semicircle in the front of it, and that will just act as a cylinder. I'll draw the bottom half of the shoe, the sole, draw the tongue, the shoe, and there you go. And then you can draw laces and all that in the middle of it, whatever type of shoe he's wearing. Boots, hiking boots, hiking shoes, but yeah. And there you go. And then for a close-up of a foot, just if you're going to have to draw a foot, then like maybe he's standing over a pit or something, then what you need to do is you just draw a big square for the big toe. Then you draw little toes that are maybe like more than half of the bigger toe. There you go. Then I draw a little divot that goes in for the big toe and then up. And then I draw that just from the pinky toe all the way up. And then there's this ankle bone that sticks out on the leg. And then the other part of the leg that leads down to the ankle and then to the foot. And then you draw the fingernail or the toenails. Which is pretty much just squares, just flattened squares because of the foreshortening. And there you go. It's a foot. I'm going to just add a little bit of the heel back here. There you go. But yeah, so that's pretty much how to draw feet. Yeah, I hope this video helped you. Like, I had trouble drawing feet kind of because of the shoes and the sandals, but yeah, so I hope this will help you. And so please visit my Etsy, Carts US, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.